Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the round one cutoff for deemed universities in 2020 under the Medical Counseling Committee counseling. That is the All India counseling conducted by MCC. We are going to look at the round one cutoff in terms of All India ranks as well as in terms of the NEET marks. So I'm going to show you the college name, and then I'm going to show you the cutoff for management category. And then I will also show you some minority category. Couple of colleges comes under Muslim minority and Jain minority. So those cutoff also I will show you. So to start with, the number one college in terms of cutoff marks is Hamdard Institute, New Delhi. For it, the management category cutoff was All India rank 28,217. And if you look at the equivalent NEET marks, it was 584 marks. If you look at the Muslim minority, there are certain Muslim minority seats in Hamdard. So if you look at the Muslim minority, the cutoff rank was 55,507. And in terms of NEET marks, 541. So slightly lower for Muslim minority. The second college in terms of cutoff marks is KMC Manipal. The cutoff mark for management category is 32,800. Sometimes it's unfair to compare two colleges purely because of the cutoff marks, because you also need to look at the number of seats available at different institutes. For example, if you compare Hamdard and KMC Manipal, I'm sure KMC Manipal have lot more seats compared to Hamdard Institute. So it may not be really right to say that Hamdard is number one and KMC Manipal is number two. You need to look at a lot more factors, but these cutoff marks is just an indication. This is not really a ranking. Okay, this is to just give you an idea of what kind of rank or what kind of marks will fetch you a seat in a particular college, rather than this cannot be a pure ranking. Okay, because the fee structure will also sometimes come into play. So these are not ranking. I want to make it clear. So KMC Manipal, the All India rank is 32,800 for management quota and NEET marks 575. The equivalent marks is 575 for KMC Manipal. KMC Mangalore, the cutoff in terms of All India rank 42,994. In terms of NEET marks 559. JSS Medical College in Mysore, the cutoff in terms of rank 59,388. NEET marks 535. Symbiosis Medical College for Women, Pune. So this is a completely new college, started only this year, and this is purely for women. So its cutoff is 59,395 and NEET marks 535. So this is one of those colleges where the fee structure is extremely lower. That's the reason I believe this has come out at a very high level in terms of cutoff, even though this is purely for women and even though it is a new college, you can see the cutoff is quite high. Then KS Hegde Medical Academy, Mangalore, the cutoff 79,610 All India rank, in terms of marks 508. Rural Medical College, Loni, PIMS Loni, the management cutoff is 88,731 and the NEET marks 497. SDU Kolar, the All India rank 95,093 and then NEET marks 490. Amrita Institute Kochi, All India rank 100,539 and NEET marks 484. And then finally, in the top 10, JLN Medical College, Belagavi, the cutoff is 121,625 All India rank, and in terms of NEET marks, 461. So if you look at the top 10 colleges in terms of cutoff, most of them come from Karnataka. So there are 6 colleges from Karnataka. Typically, these Karnataka deemed universities occupy the top spots normally because they are all good colleges. Most of them are good colleges and their fee structure also very reasonable compared to a lot of other deemed universities. Now let's move further. Enipoya Medical College, Mangalore, again a college from Karnataka. The All India rank cutoff 1,24,179, NEET marks 458. And this college is also a Muslim minority. They have seats for Muslim minority. For the Muslim minority, the cutoff is 1,68,482. And in terms of NEET marks, 415. Kalinga Institute, Bhubaneswar, 139,268 All India rank, and then NEET marks 443. SBKS Medical Institute at Vadodara, Gujarat, management quota cutoff 1,43,215, NEET marks 439. And this is a Jain minority college, so they have some seats for Jain minority, and the cutoff for Jain minority is 2,96,228. And then the NEET marks, equivalent marks is 317. Institute, Mulana, 162,181 All India rank, and NEET marks 421. Sri Ramachandra Medical College, Porur, one of the popular colleges in Tamil Nadu. The management category cutoff 1,79,057, and the NEET marks 406. Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur, 179,715 rank and 405 marks. BLDE Bijapur, All India rank 1,86,399 marks. Sri Siddhartha Academy T. Begur, reasonably a new college, started only last year. All India rank 2,04,000, NEET marks 384. Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, All India rank 218,800, and then NEET marks 372. BVDU Medical College, Pune, All India rank 2,19,000, and then NEET marks 372. MGM Medical College, Navi Mumbai, All India rank 2,39,900, NEET marks 356. MGM Medical College, Aurangabad, NEET marks 344, All India rank 2,56,800. Vinayaka Missions Medical College, Karaikal, in the Union Territory of Puducherry, the All India rank 2,82,000 and NEET marks 326. SRM Medical College in Chennai, All India rank 290,000 and then NEET marks 321. BV Deemed University, Sangli, All India rank 305,000 and then NEET marks 311. Rajarajeshwari Medical College, Bangalore, All India rank 3,42,000 and NEET marks 289. Arupadai Vidu Medical College, Puducherry, All India rank 3,76,000 and then NEET marks 270. Savita Medical College in Chennai, All India rank 3,85,000 and then NEET marks 265. JLN Medical College, Varda, All India rank 3,94,000 and then NEET marks 260. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Kolhapur, All India rank 3,96,000 and then NEET marks 259. Krishna Institute, Karat, All India rank 400,000 and then NEET marks 257. Vinayaka Missions Medical College, Salem in Tamil Nadu, All India rank 4,17,000, NEET marks 249. Geetham Institute, Vishakhapatnam, All India rank 4,17,000, NEET marks 248. D.Y. Patil, Pune, All India rank 4,24,000, NEET marks 245. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, Puducherry, All India rank 4,27,000 and NEET marks 243. Santosh Medical College, Ghaziabad, All India rank 4,43,000 and NEET marks 236. Sri Satya Sai Medical College, Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, All India rank 4,63,000 and NEET marks 226. Chettinad Hospital, Kanchipuram, once again in Tamil Nadu, All India rank 4,82,000, NEET marks 218. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Navi Mumbai, All India rank 4,87,000 NEET marks 216. ACS Medical College in Chennai, All India rank 5,17,000, NEET marks 203. Sri Balaji Medical College in Chennai, All India rank 5,50,000, NEET marks 190. Sri Lakshmi Narayana Institute, Puducherry, All India rank 5,58,000, and then NEET marks 187. And finally, Meenakshi Medical College in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, All India rank 5,70,000 and NEET marks 183. So that is the final cutoff. The final cutoff in round one for this year, 2020, is 183 marks. And how does this compare to 2019? So let's look at the cutoff for 2019. The 2019 round one cutoff in terms of All India rank was 4,35,000 and NEET marks 212. So it's a drop, considerable drop from 2019. So almost like 135,000 ranks it has dropped. Even in terms of NEET marks, even though the performance is extremely higher this year, still the NEET marks cutoff also has come down from 212 down to 183. Now, why does this has happened this year? Why the cutoff has come down so much? There are few reasons. One, there is a new medical college, that is Symbiosis Medical College, that has come in. Even though MCC has, in the last minute, has removed two deemed universities which were supposed to be in the counseling. They were removed. If they were part of it, even the cutoff could have come down. Let's hope that those colleges come into the counseling at least for round two. Now, in round one, there is one additional college. Not only that, there are some additional seats in existing deemed universities. I know that there are 200 seats increased in deemed universities in Tamil Nadu. So, certainly, there are new colleges and there are additional seats that certainly have brought down the cutoff. Another reason is increase in fee structure in almost all the deemed universities. The fee structure has gone up. If you look at most of the deemed universities, the fee structure compared to 2019 and 2020, at least around 10 percentage, the fee structure has gone up. So that could be one of the reason, again, might be discouraging a lot of candidates to go towards deemed universities. And probably the current scenario, COVID-19, could have put a lot of uncertainties into the income or business income for a lot of people. So they may be worried about committing something that's going to cost them somewhere between 1 crore to 1.5 crores. So maybe they are worried. These are some of the reasons why the cutoff has come down. So let's see whether the trend continues in round two or whether the cutoff goes up in round two. Thank you very much. If you have any specific questions, please leave your questions in the comments below. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.